Hello, welcome to you in today's video, and we will have over here today this discussion regarding to integration numerical. So to have the numericals, we should to learn over here its formulas. So we are talking of about this fundamental formulae of integration. So as it is already known to us, this integration, it is just inverse of that differentiation. Okay, now over here we are going to learn about its fundamental formula. So first formula over here, that uh, if as we are having the derivative is equal to 1. Okay, if something is having its derivative equal to 1, so as y is equal to x, so its derivative what it will come, dy dx is equal to 1. Okay, so derivative is what, 1, and so therefore if I have to find back this y, then what I have to do over here, so that implies take this dx to the right side, so dy is equal to 1 into dx. Okay, now integrate over here, so it is integration. Okay, all small y will add together to make a total y. Okay, so thus we will have over here, this is total y, and here this is 1. So 1 is what, means if you will not show anything at this place, so that means it is 1, means simply if you will write this is as dx, so what is along with it, that is 1. Okay, so it means over here all the small dx is combined to give this total x. Okay, so thus we get over here, this is very first, it is with the example. Now this is very first formula, that integration of this simply dx. Okay, where there is one only. Okay, so it is complete form you will write, you will remove this d and you will write that complete form, it is x over here. So with the example we have observed कि किसी भी चीज़ का अगर डेरिवेटिव 1 होता है, ठीक है, तो उस फंक्शन को दोबारा से कैसे ऑब्टेन किया, तो हमने इंटीग्रेशन किया, तो इंटीग्रेशन से दोबारा से we obtain this y equal to x. Okay, so this is that first rule. Now second that rule which we are going to learn over here, it is the power rule. ठीक है, तो पावर रूल हमारे पास क्या है, जैसे वी आर हैविंग x की पावर n dx, ठीक है, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x हम ये इंटीग्रेशन कर रहे हैं. सो इफ x की पावर n इज ओवर हेयर, सो वी आर यूजिंग दिस पावर रूल. तो पावर रूल व्हाट इट सेज दैट you have to write this x as it is, write this one as it is, and add 1 to its power, add to its power 1 to its power, whatever the total power is there, now divide with it, so it is n plus 1, and thereafter plus c you need to put, this is integration constant, this is integration constant. Okay, so sometime there is no value of this integration constant and therefore no need to mention it, but that some of the time we are having its value as well. Okay, so it is not important in everywhere, in some of the cases it is important. But along with this integration, when we does integration, so thereafter we are using integration constant. But remember in it that this power, it should not be over there minus 1, it should not be equal to minus 1. Okay, because minus 1 if you will put over there, so minus 1 minus plus 1 0, minus 1 plus 1 0, 1 divided by 0, it is infinite term. Okay, so thus we get over here. Let us to have its utilization. So utilization is there that we are having integration of x square dx. Okay, what the integration of this will come over here. So here with respect to x we are performing its integration. So thus we are getting that it is x की power. Now it is said that add 1 to the power, so its power is already 2 and 2 plus 1, it is total power will be 3, so you have to divide with this total power 2 plus 1. Okay, or either it is over here x की power 3 by 3 plus constant is that integration constant. Okay, so this is that power method in integration. So just to look over here that if we have taken that it is y equal to x square. Y is the function of x, and you are going to find out its derivative. Then what it will come? It will come 2x. Okay, now if I have to get it back, then what I should to do? I need to take this one to the right side. So then it will be 2x dx. Okay, it is over there. Now do the integration. So all small dy will add to give total y. Okay, this will give us total y, while this 2 is constant, and that x is there. Okay, so that x will be inside this integration sign. Now how much is the power of x? It is 1. Use this power rule, and we will get over here it is 2 into that of x. Already its power is 1, so when we does its integration, 1 will be added to its power, and whatever the total power you will get, you have to divide with it. Okay, so thus we get that it is that of uh, 2 into x square by 2 will cancel with 2, so thus we get once again that same function as it is y equal to x square. So this is again proving over here that integration is the reverse of this differentiation, and we have used this power rule in case of this integration. Now over here third formula we are going to learn that if there is the integration, and in this integration we are getting a constant, and along with it there is the variable, there is the function x, and we are doing its integration with respect to x as well. Okay, so how to have this integration? So in such a cases when this constant it is in multiply, so you need to take out this constant outside of the bracket and this integration sign, and inside there will left only x and dx. Okay, so thus here its power is 1, so with the help of that power method you can solve it. So what it will come after integrating, so you have to add 1 to its power, so it will come 1 plus 1, and whatever is over there, so this will be in the divide. So 1 plus 1 it is 2 over there, so it is that of x square by 2. Okay, so this is c is what? C is taken over here any constant. जैसे एग्जाम्पल के लिए हम बात करते हैं यहाँ पे, that I am having this is integration of 2x with respect to x, find it out. Okay, what it will come over here? Now 2 is what? A constant value, so we should to take it out, and inside there will be x dx. Okay, now it is with the help of power method, its power is 1, thus we will get over here it is 2 x की power what it will come 1 plus 1. इंटीग्रेशन जब करते हैं तो पावर में एक ऐड होता है और जो टोटल बनती है उसे डिवाइड, और डिफरेंशिएशन व्हेन वी डज, सो एट दैट टाइम 1 is subtracted from the power, and the power is brought to the front. So over here ये 2 से डिवाइड हो गया, so thus it is going to cancel. So we are having this is x square. Okay, thus we have, this is the utilization of this formula if a constant is multiplied. Now the fourth example which I am going to take case over here, let us suppose that we are having this situation. There is we have to find out the integration, and there it is written in this way. Okay, so there may be plus or minus. Okay, so how do we find out this integration in such a way? Okay, so this integration and this वेरिएबल एलिमेंट बोथ विल मल्टीप्लाई इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट. ठीक है, तो दोनों क्या करेंगे, ब्रैकेट के अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आप इसको शो करोगे. सो ओवर हियर दिस एंड दिस विल मल्टीप्लाई विद एक्स स्क्वेयर, सो देन यू विल राइट इट एज एक्स स्क्वेयर डी एक्स. देयर आफ्टर देर इज द प्लस साइन, प्लस अगेन you have to use this integration sign x and dx with it. Thereafter plus again is there, and it is integration of dx. No need to write 1. Okay, because if you are not going to mention this 1, so already it is known to us that how much is in multiplication this with this dx. It is only 1 is there. Okay, so this is over here that simplest form. Now with the power method, what you will get its answer? It will come x की power add 1 to its power, so it is 3, and now the total power is in the divide as well. Plus how much is its power? 1. So with the integration you have to add 1 to its power, and total will be divided over there, plus over there. Now how much is over here? There is only 1. Okay, so in such a case that we are having only that addition of all these small dx value, so this is going to be x. Very first rule that we started over here, it was integration of this dx, or either you can consider this one. If it is taken over here, integration of 5 dx, what will be the integration of 5 dx? So 5 is what? Constant. So you can take this 5 outside, and inside it will remain over there dx. So we will get it is as 5x. What if you recall that a situation which is the differentiation of 5, that was 0. ठीक है, डिफरेंशिएशन क्या हो गई थी हमारे पास? 0 हो गई थी. लेकिन अगर हम कांस्टेंट की इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं तो जो वेरिएबल एलिमेंट है ना, वो यहाँ पर कंप्लीट फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है, तो वो x बन जाता है. अगर y होता है यहाँ पे तो ये y बन जाता. इफ़ इट इज़ dz तो ये z साथ में आता. ओके, दिस इज़ दैट the fourth rule which we come to know. So in this fourth rule can be shown in this way, that let it is this one, it is u, this is u, plus minus this is v, thereafter plus minus this is w, uvw, and we are having over here this is dx. Okay, so in such a case, if we are getting such a example, then inside the bracket multiply with this integration sign, and that this variable element, so plus minus integration v dx plus minus integration w dx. Okay, this is that rule. Now over here this fifth that formula which we are going to learn. If there is the integration of e की power ax, a is any constant with this x. Okay, so what will be the integration of this e की power ax? So this will be over here. Write this e की power ax as it is. Upon में write the differentiation of its power. Okay, so it is ddx of ax. तो जिसकी रिस्पेक्ट में ये इंटीग्रेशन हो रही है उसी की रिस्पेक्ट में आपने क्या करना है? डिफरेंशिएशन करनी है. ठीक है, सो दस वी गेट ओवर हेयर इट इज़ ए एक्स अपॉन में this a will come out, and it is dx by dx. So this dx by dx will cancel. So thus we get that it is e ax by a. Okay, so we can take the example over here that it is integration of 2x dx. What it will come? So thus we will get over here how much is the value of a. In this case it is 2. Rest the thing is same. So thus in the final answer I will have it is e की power 2x upon में 2. Okay, this is that fifth point which we come to know over here. Now the sixth point over here. Sixth point is that if we are having the integration of this 1/x dx, integration of 1/x dx. So see this one, it is that without power we have written, it is having only one power. So you will make it as log of that base e of x. Okay, how will you write this one? It is log to the base e of x. Remember that when you were having this log e of x, so its differentiation we have written over there, it was 1/x. It was 1/x. Now if we find out its integration now, so this integration over there that will be again log to the base e of x. Okay, this is at our answer. Okay, so this is rule number 6. So you can also write it in this form. It is x की power -1 dx. So this is again that log to the base e of x. Now over here that seventh formula which we are taking, if we are having the trigonometric function sin x and its integration with respect to x. what will be its integration with respect to x? So it will be minus of cos of x. Remember this one. What will be the integration of sin x dx? It will be minus of cos x. And eighth formula that we are taking over here, that if we are having anything along with this angle, let it is sin ax, it is the angle now dx. Okay, so what will be the integration of this one? So for this situation you need to remember, जो साइन है उसकी इंटीग्रेशन क्या होती है, माइनस ऑफ कॉस, लेकिन एंगल क्या है यहाँ पर, इट इज़ ए एक्स अपॉन में डू द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ दिस एंगल. ठीक है, so do the differentiation of the angle, so you will get this one, it is minus of cos ax upon में what will be the differentiation of this term, so it is a will come out and inside there is dx by dx, so it is 1. So thus we get that whatever is along with this angle it will come in the denominator. ठीक है, so find the derivative over here. Now let us look over here this one with the help of the example, as we are taking over here sine of 2x, find out its integration with respect to x. So then you will find over here it is that of sine की integration minus of cos 2x. Okay, first it is the integration of that sine function, then its angle integration, find its angle integration. So एंगल के लिए क्या किया जाता है, डिनोमिनेटर में उसकी डिफरेंशिएशन यानी कि एंगल के साथ जो था उसको डिवाइड में ले आए. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ओवर देयर. सो विद द एग्जांपल वी कम टू नो अबाउट दिस रूल यूज. नाउ द नाइन्थ फार्मूला ओवर हियर, that what will be the integration of cos x with respect to x. ठीक है, तो इंटीग्रेशन cos x की with respect to x what it will come, so it is sin of x. ये क्या बन जाएगी, sin of x. what in डिफरेंशिएशन, डिफरेंशिएशन में अगर हमारे पास cos x आता था तो उसकी डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होती थी, माइनस ऑफ साइन एक्स होती थी, इट वॉज माइनस ऑफ साइन एक्स. नाउ इफ़ आई विल फाइंड आउट इट्स इंटीग्रेशन, अगर मैं इसकी इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड आउट करूँ, सो ओवर हियर इंटीग्रेटिंग वो साइड, ये ऑल स्मॉल डी वाई विल एड टुगेदर टू गिव दिस वाई एंड वी गेट दिस वन नेगेटिव, टेक इट आउट. साइन एक्स की क्या होती है इंटीग्रेशन, इट इज़ माइनस ऑफ कॉस ऑफ एक्स. ठीक है, सो माइनस एंड माइनस विल एड टुगेदर एंड इट इज़ कॉस एक्स, दस वी गॉट दैट स्टेप अगेन. ठीक है, तो ये हमारे पास cos x dx की इंटीग्रेशन sin x होती है. एंड दिस 10th इज ओवर देयर, दैट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दैट cos ax dx if there will be anything with this angle. ठीक है, angle is not simple, it is something with this angle, so then you will have over here this is cos की इंटीग्रेशन क्या होती है, sin. Okay, simply to do this integration, thereafter whatever is its angle, find its derivative. So thus we get that it is sin ax upon में derivative of this will come a. Okay, this is that formula number 10. And formula number 11 over there, this is integration of secant square x dx, this is 10x. What remember over there, we were having if differentiation of 10x, so it is differentiation was secant square x dx, sorry, secant square x, and if we take over there this dy and dx will go to that side, so then it is secant square x dx. So integrate both side and it is y, and this side it is secant square x will be 10x. Okay, this is that integration is reciprocal of this differentiation. Okay, so thus this were the few of the point, and one more, this is the last one, 12th, and here it is what will be the integration of cosecant square x dx. So this is minus of cot x, this is the integration of this term. So there is the point to be noted. Note this point, that if we are having the power of trigonometric function, for example we have to find out this cos square x dx, there is the power of this trigonometric function. Okay, so over there don't use power rule in this that solution. Okay, so over here that integration cannot be used for this power, okay, of a trigonometric function. तो स्पेशली रिमेंबर दिस वन, जो इंटीग्रेशन है वो जो पावर ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन है उसके लिए यूज़ नहीं हो पाता, ठीक है। पावर मेथड जो है उसके लिए यूज़ नहीं हो पाता। पावर मेथड क्या बोला था, एक्स की पावर n+1 अपॉन में n+1। ओके, दिस मेथड यू विल नॉट यूज़ ओवर हेयर, ठीक है। सो ओवर हेयर यू हैव टू फर्स्टली कन्वर्ट इट। तो इसको कॉस स्क्वेयर एक्स को आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, पहले तो चेंज करना पड़ेगा। सो कॉस स्क्वेयर एक्स that it can be equal to 1 plus cos of 2xy2. First you need to convert this one into this form. So thus we can write this is as 1 plus cos 2xy2 and it is dx. Now it is going to be separate the denominator. So we get over here and this is 1y2 plus cos 2xy2 and this is dx whole integration. Now it is u plus v form, so we get that it is 1/2 dx plus that of 1/2 is outside and it is integration of cos 2x dx, and thus we get that what will be the integration, 1/2 is constant, integration of dx is this x and plus is over there. So it is 1/2 is that one। cos की इंटीग्रेशन क्या होती है हमारे पास, साइन, और जो एंगल है एंगल में 2x है तो इसकी डिफरेंशिएशन क्या बनेगी 2। ओके, सो दस वी गॉट ओवर हियर इट इज एज x/2 प्लस ऑफ sin 2x/4। okay, so remember that we do not use power rule of integration for trigonometric function. Thank you for watching this video.